Kings Canyon High Basin Route by Andrew Skurka in the High Sierras is rugged and diverse. Kerry Gray and I completed sections 1 and 2 starting at Twin Lakes Trailhead on the west side of the Sierras and ended at Onion Valley Trailhead on the east side. The route trampled over 50 miles of mostly off-trail travel, crossing the range from west to east, went up 7 passes, over many saddles, across countless boulder fields, and traversed granite slabs and grassy ramps with a couple of snow cornices. It was such a great route, and I have recommended this trip to many experienced hikers. This route is remote, stark, and breathtaking, and we did not see a single human. I absolutely loved it and highly recommend these sections.
Okay, here we go, off the Twin Lakes Trail, leaving the trail to go cross country. Going up there tomorrow morning. We're staying above this little tarn. It's really beautiful. Reminds me of Precipice Lake on the high trail. Early morning. Going up the first saddle. It's right there, up there. Nice. Coming up the named saddle. First climb. Climbing up to the divide. Entering the tablelands. We're heading on up there on really gentle slabs and grassy ramps. It's lovely cross-country travel. Up on the Kauai Divide, views for days, heading out that direction and looking back, such beauty. Walking in some snow, serious beauty toward Lake Azure. I think it says Azure in the background on that ledge. Good morning. Looking up at Horn Call, heading up over there. Top of Horn Call. All passes should be like this. Nice and easy. No moving rock. Just look at that. Good morning, sun. Going down that, or contouring over to Elizabeth Pass. Look at that. Heading up to Coppermine Pass. Just went over the saddle, which had a lot of snow. And we're gonna be heading probably over there, I'm not sure yet. But we're on a use trail. It's going all the way up over there. And looking down and around. Sliding into Cloud Canyon. Looking up all where we came. Lots of willows, boulders. Beautiful canyon though. Climbing up the first ridge after leaving the Colby Pass Trail. I love this tree. Going toward Colby Lake. Nice overcast day. Heading up Talus Creek. There's Kerry coming off of Talus Pass, which is no easy task. We came down the northeast chute, which worked out nice. Looking at Gem Lake, or one of the Gem Lakes. Beautiful turquoise. We're heading over to Thunder Pass. Down Thunder Pass, all the way over to there. Hopefully we'll cross that snowfield and camp at that there lake on the left. Looking on some snow. Coming down from Thunder Ridge Pass, right up there.
taking me home, puts a little joy in my soul. I got love in my heart, I got love in my heart. I promise that no man can
Longley Pass. Nice. View. It's a cold day, windy. Looking at where we're gonna go.
so much deeper. I got more I can give, so much more